Hi friends, good morning. This is Suvarna Keshav, welcoming you all to Suvarna's Travel World from Vietnam. We are now on the way to Halong Bay, and before reaching Halong Bay, let us visit the bamboo fabric factory and the pearl factory. Please come.
No cotton, no polyester, and no microfiber. Okay? So the first one, can you look at me please? I want to share with you two material. This is bamboo fiber. I think bamboo fiber may be someone you don't know, but cotton you know, right? So now can you compare please? This is bamboo fiber. And so now I will put two material inside for you to compare. This is bamboo fiber and cotton. I also put that inside water, okay? And let you see, bamboo fiber is absorb water very fast, so it's automatic sinking. Yes. Cotton also absorb water but a little bit. And you know, bamboo fiber will absorb water faster than cotton 700%. It's meaning about 7 times. Okay? So now I will to introduce for you some hair product from bamboo fiber. And it is one of the best seller in here. It is hair towel. Okay? This is not good for your hair. So how about this one? Can you see here? After wash hair, we need to do like this. Short hair or long hair, no problem. Just keep your wet hair inside. And only about 5 minutes to 7 minutes, it will dry about 90 to 95% water. We don't need to use dryer. Okay? Only 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Okay? Like me. Yeah, like me, I need about 5 minutes because I have a short hair. But if you have long hair under here, you need about 7 minutes, okay? But like you, only 3 seconds, okay? You don't believe or someone you don't know is good or not good, right? So can you look at me, please? We have one bottle of water here. I need to show you how to take bamboo product, okay? This is bamboo fiber hair towel, 95%. Okay, only 5% elastic fiber. 1, 2, and 3. After only 3 seconds, you see here, it's already absorbed. Okay, yes. And after absorb water, microfiber or cotton, it has too much water dripping or drop. But bamboo fiber, you see here, it's not easy dripping. It is second different. And one more different, we can remove too much water inside the towel here, so it's fast dry. Normal towel, maybe you need about 5 to 7 hours dry in the sun. But bamboo fiber, you need only 30 minutes to 1 hour dry in the sun. Okay? And you need to pay about 10 US dollar. And 10 US dollar. And if you buy enough 2 pieces or over 2 pieces, we give you 10% discount. Here is government company and our company only bamboo product. Okay, so if you want to bargaining in here cannot because here is we are make fixed price, fixed promotion. Okay, and second item, you know most of 5-star hotels and 5-star cruise in Halong Bay using this towel because it's very good quality. Normal towel, when you put in the bathroom after only about 2 to 3 days, if you forgot clean, it becomes strong smell, become moist. But bamboo fiber towel, you are put in the bathroom about 7 days to 10 days, no problem because bamboo fiber automatic antibacterial. Okay. Second, but bamboo fiber we can wash very easy. Okay. And you know in Vietnam very hot, the same in India. If you buy one towel dry on the sun, it become hardened. But to try, you can try because if you clean like this, your towel is like sleepy if you buy microfiber. But bamboo fiber is not sleepy. Okay, who wanna try? We have a water here. You can clean. Yeah, you are washing machine or hand wash, no problem. Okay, very good quality. And then good dry amount.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then I want to introduce for you.
We are now at the pearl factory near Halong Bay. Let's now learn how pearls are made and cultured artificially.
And controlled by government. The picture here, that is the image of our farm. And we are culturing 3 different kinds of seawater oysters. Aquia, South Sea, and Tahiti. Let me show you this one. The first one we have here, this is Aquia oyster. Aquia oysters have the smallest size. They give us for with white color, sometimes yellowish and pinkish color. Second one, Tahiti oyster, or you can call it black oyster, because only one Tahiti oyster gives us black pearl. The color of pearl will depend on color on the lip of the oyster. And you can see the rainbow color. They give us from with a range of color from green, blue, black, purple, even peacock color. And the third one we have here, South Sea oyster, the biggest one. South Sea oyster produced pearl with golden color, champagne, sometimes white color with the biggest size. So nowadays, because before 20th century there were only natural pearls, but natural pearls are just in irregular shape and extremely rare. That's why 1893, with the Mickey roll technique, we use this one to implant. This is the nucleus. We made this from the shell, mother pearl. It has natural material, not plastic. We implant this one and one piece of membrane tissue inside the ovary oyster. Over time, the oyster will secrete layers of maker, cover, and grow the pearl. Remember, this nucleus made from the shell, no plastic. Okay? Let me show you more specific. In order to start the process, we need two things.
It is made of steel, no?
First thing, as I mentioned earlier, this nucleus, and you can see the round shape is going to help sprout to be rounded. Second thing, membrane tissue. We got this from the donor oyster here. We remove the black film outside, just use the middle part and cut them to small pieces like this. After that, we treat them with the antibacterial solution to reduce the mortality rate of the oyster. And then we insert one piece of membrane tissue, one nucleus. Time by time, the oyster will secrete 1,000 layers of maker. Cover, bigger, and grow the pearl. We use the membrane tissue here as a catalyst to stimulate the oyster secret maker. Without this, no program made. Let me show you how to implant this thing inside. You stand behind the technician to see clearly. This is the recipient oyster. We just open lightly the oyster and cut a small line at the reproductive organ over the oyster. And then we put one piece of membrane tissue, one nucleus inside together. It looks like citrate. One oyster, only implant one. After implanting, we put them into the cage like this and back in sea under the water. Every month we have to check them out, clean all of the oyster. But half of them often die during this process because of the mold entering inside the oyster body. Some oyster reject growth naturally, and the success rate is around 30%. It takes from 2 to 5 years to cultivate. It depends on different kind of oyster. And let me show you the final step. You can see here we have these three different kind of pearls: Aquia, Tahiti, and South Sea. In order to get a pearl like this, Aquia takes 1.5 to 2 years to cultivate. Tahiti takes 2 to 4 years. South Sea takes 3 to 5 years. South Sea takes the longest time. That's why the biggest size. Only South Sea has golden champagne color like this. Tahiti we have multiple color: gray, green, blue, purple color. Aquia, smallest size, we have the pinkish, yellowish, and the white. So now she show you how to harvest the pearl.
Inside they have.
See, one oyster gives us one pearl. After harvesting, we keep it natural. We have the export, we grade them from 1A to 4A international standard with 5 factors: size, shape, color, luster, surface body. Bigger, rounder, less imperfection on surface, the high value. In terms of color, golden South Sea is the most valuable. But the best one is just account for 3 to 5% out of 30%. With the imperfect ones like this, we grind them into the powder, make skincare products. Listen, with the shell, we polish them to make a souvenir for their in house. Even make jewelry, earring, necklace, bracelet with a cheap price.
Mother of pearl.
Mother of pearl. The good quality like this, we make the jewelry. We use the machine in the workshop over there, drill the hole in the pearl. On the setting, there will be a pin to hold it, and we use special like glue, attach it strongly to the jewelry. Let me show you more information about that. Come this way.
Hope this video was informative, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe to Suvarna's Travel World for more videos. Bye-bye.